Ooh, American woman. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Outre. They sent me another unit to review for you guys. Now we will be styling this Converti Cap together. A Converti Cap is basically a half wig with some combs that also has a drawstring that you can make into a ponytail. So for all y'all that's be asking me, what is that? What is that? What is that? That's what it is. So we're gonna style this joint together. You know, a couple little styles, see what's cute, and we're gonna go on about our business, okay? But before we get into all that, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this is a Converti Cap unit from Outre. Let me open up this packaging. It's pretty basic, okay, nothing crazy. This is Kissed by Miss. Okay. So Kissed by Miss in the color 1B, that's what we're working with today. It does come in some specialty colors, so if you want to check those out, you can. That burgundy is looking real cute. Oh, that chocolate swirl too. Oh, wait a minute, the 1B. Oh, wait a minute. Slow down, Kai, slow down. This is how she's looking on her card. She gives a couple different styles, so you know, we're gonna try some things out and see what works for me today. I may do like a little scarf situation. We'll see. First, let me use my scissors and cut off these little things on the inside. I pulled my last ones out and it put a hole in my daggone wig. I didn't, Outre. Yeah, I'm blaming Outre because I'm not gonna take the blame. This is how she's looking. Ooh, those curls look real pretty. I like that, okay? She got the comb across the front, the two combs on the side, and she has a comb in the back with the adjustable drawstring. So again, if you wanna make this joint into a ponytail, you just pull her down like that. It's a wide ponytail, but you can, you know, kind of like wrap it around and do your little thing, get your little look. But I'm gonna do some looks today. It's not gonna be a ponytail though, so let me go ahead and just open that back up. I do want to start out with my wig. No, I don't need my wig grip. Because I can tighten it down with the drawstring, I'm just gonna put it on my head. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. See how she looking. The curls are real pretty. Somebody did ask me recently for a half wig. Oh, wait a minute. Ooh, somebody asked me recently for a half wig version of Outre Ariella. Bam! So if you're her, I did give you some other options because I wasn't, you know, I wasn't aware of this one, but yeah, here she go right here, okay? But I want to fluff this out a little bit. Let me just rake it through some. I do need to tighten this down because she about to fall off my head. Ooh, why you want to do me like that? I don't know. We singing today. Do I need any type of dry shampoo? I mean, the luster is not really high, so I think I can pretty much, I can go with what I have right now. All right, let's bump up. Oh, I want that comb. I want my other comb. Where's my other comb? That one too thick. I can't. There we go. Let's bump up some of my edges like this. Okay. Bump them up, 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 bump them up. Bring it a little bit more forward. Here we go. Tease the root. Oh, that's not gonna work. I need a brush. Tease it down, tease it down. Tease it, tease it. Tease it back like this. Gotta get the hair, oh, wait a minute. I'm putting tangles in it, I don't wanna do that. Ooh, this is gonna be cute. Okay, I'm gonna use my brush here. I'm gonna tease up the hair like this. I wanna make it a little bit more messier. That's the look that I like. If you don't like that, it is fine. Do what you want with your wigs. Brush it, brush it. It looks more natural when it's worn, so that's what I'm gonna say. Make it worn a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Brush this one down. If you want to put some gel on your edges, you can definitely do that. I don't think I want to do that for this look just because I don't feel like it's necessary. But again, if you want to, you can. If I want to cut some layers in here, I could probably do that as well. But I don't think I want to do the layers. I think I want to leave her, you know, leave her as is. Ooh, American woman. Because I goes Lenny Kravitz. Okay, so yeah, y'all, that's cute, right? And this is a normal what, $20? A $20 wig. Listen, the secret is out. Celebrities be wearing half wigs like this, okay? I saw it on TikTok. They be rocking these synthetic wigs and styling them up. Y'all, we already know human hair wigs of this texture and length is gonna run Daddy Papa some coins, okay? Listen, save him. Save him some coins. Yes, this looks good, right? Y'all know my forehead is big, okay? How you doing? But I don't care. I do care about my wig slipping back though. Hold up. Turn to the side so y'all can see this hair. Okay, to the side, she looking good. To the back, yeah. Y'all, you saw it out the pack. You saw it out the pack. Yeah, this is, oh. Let me do my up style. Hold up, I don't want that. I don't want my hair showing. Let me see. I was gonna use a hair tie, but I'm just gonna use my daughter's little situation here because I don't wanna get it tangled in my hair. Here we go, like this. Let's get the edges right. Make sure it's up just like that. Ooh, y'all, what if I put some what you call it? Some locks in this joint to give it like that type of look. Oh, y'all. Let me see if I can find my locks. Hold up. I had these little locks right here that I got from, pretty sure I got them from Amazon. I can't remember. I don't even know how I will put this on here. Let me see. Where's my crochet needle? Let me see if I can get my crochet hook in this joint. Oh, I can. Okay. Put it on here like this. Can it go through? Maybe. It did. Okay, okay. It's tough though, but it went through. I think that could be cute, y'all. Let's do another one. I'm just gonna tuck that one in with the ponytail. Do this like this. Okay. Okay. Y'all, I think this could be cute. It just adds a different dimension, like a different texture to the wig. I like that. I'm just gonna tuck it right up in there because I don't feel like undoing the ponytail. It's messy, y'all. I know, it's messy, but it's a look. Let's open them up a little bit so they're not so perfect, like that. You see what I'm going for? I mean, right or wrong? Could it be a look? Y'all tell me down below, okay? Let me take it down so I can see how that looks with the locks in there. And not get the knot in my hair. It's tangled. That lock right here is just hanging on there, so let me get that off. Let's see if I can put it, what, like right here, maybe? No, I want one in the front. Let's try to get it under this one. Here we go. Here we go, like so. Come on, come on. I got that feeling. Here we go. Put this one on like this. Get this on there like that. It has some pieces in there. I think it makes it look even more like, I don't know. I just like how it looks. If I had like some little jewelry, hair jewelry or something, I would put it in that joint too. One little piece right here. Let me just put it on there. Aw, man. I thought I would have some more, I don't. Let me change out my earrings because this deserves some hoops. This little one piece is kicking me out. Let me just, I think that's it, y'all. The all out, the half up, half down, adding the locks in. I mean, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do for this wig. I wasn't planning on doing the locks. It just popped in my head, boop. Let's do a little flip over and see what she's sitting like. Yeah, I like it down. The hair texture is pretty soft. It's not stringy, no complaints whatsoever. So
put the freaking wig in the basket.
Giddy up. Okay, get on this one quickly, okay, because she gonna sell out. Especially in this natural color, she gonna sell out. So that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Outre for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put some direct links for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.